And this has continued all the way through history, right up until very recently, and even currently. Many concepts of God are interfering with how humanity lives a life on earth. And the question then becomes, well, that's religion. There is literally no religion on earth who believes the truth about God. Right? So that's a problem, because if there's no religion on earth teaching a truth about God, then how am I ever meant to learn the truth about God? It's going to be difficult, isn't it? Because the very people who say they have a relationship with God are teaching falsehood about God. They are actually blaspheming God, actually. They're misrepresenting God. And so for that reason, many of them, obviously God's laws are trying to correct them. And of course, all of these religious faiths, to one extent or another, are in a fight with God. They don't want the correction. They don't want to see anything as being different to what they believe it is.